Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 8th chapter, okay, that is adolescence and reproductions. Students, in previous classes already we have discussed about that reproduction in animals. That means how the reproductions take place in animals. Okay students, so you know that students very well, when the male gametes and female gametes are fused or joined, and that will form that one zygote, and that zygote will develops and it will be form that what embryo. Okay students, so that is called as generally fertilization take place, that is called as fertilization process. So today we are going to discuss about that what is that fertilization. Okay, so when a male gamete and female gamete, from the male gamete are produced from the male part and a female gametes are producing by the female part, that means female parents. Okay, so students, what is the fertilization we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, the process of, first of all we have to discuss about that what is the fertilization. The process of combine or the fusion, the process of fusion of male and female gametes. Okay, the process of fusion of male and female gametes to produce is called as fertilization. Whenever that male gametes, already we told that sperm, and a female gametes, that is called as ovum. When that sperm and ovum will fuse, okay, that process is called as fertilization. Okay, so friends, when that male gametes or that sperm and that ovum will be combined, that process of fertilization, that what will form? That it will form zygote. One single, that combination that of male gametes and female gametes, it will form the zygote. Okay students, so let us see students how it is. So first of all you should remember that students definition. What is that fertilization? First you have to understand the process of fusion of male and a female gametes is called fertilization. That means male gametes means what is that students? Sperm. So the sperm is coming from the male part of male parents. Okay, and the female gametes means that is the ovum, which one is releasing from the female parents. So when the sperm and a ovum, that will be combined or the fuse or the join, that it will called as a, what is that? Zygote. That is called as a zygote. Okay, and then rapidly the zygote starts to develop and it will form embryo. Okay friends, and this total whole process, this whole process are called as a fertilization. Okay friends, did you understand about that? Okay, so now we will see that the zygote divides rapidly and undergoes the growth in size, and this is called as embryo. What you should say? Embryo. Okay friends, and now we are going to discuss about the types of fertilization. So there are two types of fertilization. Okay, one is external fertilization and second one is internal fertilization. So what do you mean by external? Extra means outside. That means outside of the body, which fertilization take place, or how that males gametes and female gametes are joined or fusion, that zygotes are formed. That is, that process is called as external fertilization. But what do you mean by internal fertilization? Internal means inside the body. Okay, inside the female body, what are the zygotes are forming, that is called as internal fertilization. You can understand that suppose human beings, cat, dog, okay, insects, bird, these are the, what are that new individuals are forming by the process of internal fertilization. By the process of internal fertilization. But what are the external fertilization? External means outside. That means the female counterpart and male counterpart, whenever the male gametes and female gametes are combined or that joined, that what the zygotes will form, that should be outside. How it is processed? You have seen that in that water bodies, that means see the frogs lays the gametes, male part, that it will form that gametes, and a female gametes will form, but they will combine where? In water, not in the frog's female part of the frog. Okay, so that gametes are combined or joined in the water. Okay, so that, suppose fish, if you will give that one example of a fish is how it is new individuals are getting, that is one external fertilization, because the fish are forming or the new individual species are forming by the external fertilization, because that it is less that outside. Okay, that sperms and the gametes are combined outside of the female body, that means outside means it is in water. Okay, so let us see what are the types of and how it is. Types of fertilization, there are two types. One is external fertilization and another one is internal fertilization. External means outside, remember that very carefully, you have to remember extra. Okay, external, that means outside of the female body. Almost all we know that, we have idea about that, when that new babies are forming or coming, that is coming from the mother or the mother parents, or that from its mother. Okay, that from the stomach, from the bodies it is coming, so that is called as internal. But some new individuals are forming by that external, that means it is not coming from the mother parents. Okay, so where the suppose frog, if new tadpoles or the new individuals are getting, that will get outside, that means it is generating or it is combining that sperm in the outside, that means outside of the female body. Okay, so let us see now. First of all, we will discuss about that. What is that external fertilization? Write down the definition also, students. The type of fertilization in which the fusion of male and female gamete take place outside of the female body. Okay, you should remember, students, if the male gamete and female gamete take place outside of the female is called external fertilization. Examples found in aquatic animals like fish, starfish and frog. These are the new individuals are getting by the external fertilization. Okay, students. So same as it, what is that internal fertilization? The internal fertilization means the fertilization which take place inside the female body. Inside the female body is called internal fertilizations. Okay, that means inside the mother parents. Okay, that new individuals are developing inside the body. Okay, that embryo or that zygotes are developing inside the female body. Okay, and at last that it will come the birth after the 10 months or 9 months, according to that periods it will born, and after that complete cycle. What are the examples found in insects? Insects are internal fertilization, and birds also internal fertilization, and reptiles like crocodiles, all these are the by the internal fertilization, and mammals means or human beings, cat, dog, cows, these are the mammals, and these are all are individual new species are forming by the internal fertilization. Okay, students, so I hope you have understood about that what is the fertilization and what are the types of fertilization, and internal, what is the internal fertilization and what is the external fertilization. Okay, students, I hope you have understood and all the definitions, and write down this all the notes, and for you homework, read this and learn it. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.